Morning to all. Welcome to 8th Standard English. Already we had learned about the adjectives. What is it? It describes about noun. For example, tall, short, beautiful. So today you are going to learn degrees of comparison. So what is it? It is adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. So we are comparing the noun to another. It is called degree of comparison. So there are 3 degrees of comparison, that are positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. So first we are going to see positive degree. It is used to refer to one object, person or place without making any comparison. We will never compare with anything else. It is same. For example, she has a big house. Then we are going to comparative. It refers to a greater degree of adjective is compared to positive degree. So we are comparing with positive one. It is used to compare two objects, people or places. So you look at these examples. Her house is bigger than my house. So the house difference they are meaning there. The superlative degree refers to greatest degree of adjective. So it is used to compare more than two objects, people or places. So we are comparing more than. So for example, we look at here. His house is the biggest of all. Biggest. So some rules for degrees of comparison. When the positive ends in E, we add only or and st to the adjective. So you look at this example. Large, the word ends in E, so you are adding to comparative or, then you are adding for st for superlative. Then now we look at here. What is the word here ends E? So we are adding for comparative or wider. Then you look at here. We are adding st. So it is superlative. You have already known about vowels and consonant. What is vowel? It is A, E, I, O, U. Other alphabets are consonants. So now you look at these examples. Tall, taller, tallest. T is consonant, A is vowel, L is consonant and other L is consonant. If the word ends in consonant, we should add ER and EST. So in positive, it ends in consonant, so it is tall. Then it's comparative, we add ER, so it's taller. For superlative, it is the tallest, so we add st there. Definition for this examples, we add ER and EST to most one or two syllable words that end in consonants. So you had already seen examples, right? So now you look at these examples. Dull, word ends in consonants. For comparative, you are using ER, duller. For superlative, dullest, EST. Next, we are going to see about the third rule. You look at these examples. Hot, hotter, hottest. H is consonants, O is vowel, T is consonant. So when the positive word ends with vowels plus consonant, you should double end the consonant word. So you look at, for comparative, they wrote hotter. So hot. So this is consonants. So you should write same word again and you should add the ER. And then you look at superlative degree, hottest. So same, you should add the consonant word, the same consonant word at last, and you add EST. So this is what hot, hotter, hottest. Definitions. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add ER and EST. So you can understand, right? Yeah, vowels and consonants, we should end the word with that word. For example, red. In positive they had red, comparative redder, superlative reddest. So you can find. Next we are going to see the fourth rule. So look at this example: happy, happier, happiest. You look the positive word happy, the word ends in y. So if the word ends in y, you should add IER and IEST. So positive, you are using happy. Then in comparative, you should add the word IER. She is happier than me. You look for superlative, happiest. So you should add IEST. She is the happiest girl. Look at this definition. When the positive ends in consonant plus y, we drop the y and add IER and IEST. So we should cut out the y and add this. So you look at another examples. Lucky, y, they add. So for comparative, IER, superlative, IEST. Next we are going to see the fifth rule. You look at these two words, tall, beautiful. Tall. Can we separate this word? No, we can't separate. It is a single word. You can separate beautiful. How can we separate this word? Beautiful. So 3 syllable we can separate it. If the words are in 2 or more syllable, we should add more, most. Then what should be the word for beautiful? In comparative, more beautiful, and then in superlative, the most beautiful. Now you see the definition for it. When the positive is long, that is a word 2 or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjective to form comparative and superlative degrees. So this only we have seen the examples. Next examples you can see: useful, more useful in comparative, most useful in superlative. Next we are going to see the sixth rule. What is it? It is about exceptional case. The exceptional case is nothing but it has irregular forms. So what is irregular forms? You see: much, more, most. So you see the definition. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparatives and superlatives from their positives. They have irregular degree of comparison. So they have irregular degrees of comparison. Now you see the examples. Good. For good you have to say opposite. Better in comparative. Then best is superlative. Now we are going to recap everything. So what we have learned: degrees of comparisons. It is compare one noun with another. Then there are 3 degrees. What is positive? It refers one object or place without comparing. Then what is comparative? Compared with one another. Then what is third? Superlative. It is compared with one or more places or things. Next, in book exercise, page number 52, they had given fill in the blanks. First you look at positive, they given tall. So in comparative, so you look, T is consonant, A is vowel, L is consonant, L is consonant. So you have to write, you have to add ER, EST if the word ends in double ends in consonants. Taller, taller in comparative, tallest in superlative. Likewise, you complete the other exercise. They given, let's compare 2 things. Which is faster, a train or a plane? A plane is faster, so a plane is faster than a train. So likewise, you complete every. Next, they given this exercise. Let's compare 3 things. They given a donkey, a horse, and an elephant. So they given what? Strong. So strong, stronger, strongest. Because the syllable ends in consonants, so we are adding ER and EST. So you look at these sentences. A donkey is strong. So then this is positive. For comparative, how will you write? A horse is stronger than a donkey. So it is stronger. So it is comparative. They are comparing the horse and donkey. And then superlative degree you look. An elephant is the strongest. To what they told, the elephant is the strongest animal, then it is all. So they are comparing. So likewise you also have some examples exercise, you just do it. Thank you.